It's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, leather steering wheel, remote engine start, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.